In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the Spot the Mistakes template. This challenge template is a great way to encourage discovery and participation and can be used in a number of ways. While this template works well to help identify problems or hazards, you don't necessarily need a series of mistakes to create an effective challenge. In this particular example, the learner is asked to try and identify opportunities to help make an office's environment more environmentally friendly. Similarly, you could also use the same template to engage learners to find positive examples. To make your own challenge, you'll need to prepare an image file. For best results, we'd recommend using a full-width image, at least 1170 pixels wide and 550 pixels high, although a smaller image can be used. To get started, select the Spot the Mistakes template from the interactive panel and drag it to the lesson pathway. If you are using a smaller screen, select the New Tile button and then select Spot Mistakes from the Type menu. Give your new screen a title. This will appear above your challenge. Click the Edit Screen button. Enter a description which will appear under the heading. Be sure to provide clear and concise instructions so the learner knows what they are meant to do. Optionally, enter the tip width, tip font size, and spot radius. These settings control how your feedback will appear in the live template. Tip width controls the horizontal size of the pop-up text area. Font size will change the size of any feedback, and the spot radius controls the radius of the check mark. These settings don't really need to be changed. Select the Add Image button. You can then select an image using Google or Flickr image search or upload your own. Enter your search terms to find Creative Commons images using these services, or select the Upload tab to browse and upload your own image. Once you've made your selection, use the handy crop tool to crop your image. Use the resize slider to change the size of your image. When you are satisfied with your selection, click Save. To begin adding mistakes or hazards to your challenge, select the Add Hotspot button. Use your mouse to drag the green overlay that appears on the part of your image that you'd like to identify when published. The overlay can be resized using the draggable handles on the bottom right corner and can also be rotated using the rotate icon on the top left. When you are happy with the placement, give your hotspot a title and description. Using the visual editor, it's even possible to add an image. Icons and symbols can be effective in some instances. Note that the width and position can also be adjusted. The hotspot can be set to appear top, right, or to the left of the area. If your hotspot is to the right of the screen, it would make sense to have the spot appear to the left, and vice versa. When you have finished adding hotspots, select Save. To preview the challenge, select the Preview button. When you are done, publish your tile using the Publish button from the lesson view. Your new interactive challenge will now be live in your course.